The Andersoneria kids, how dare you betray the modern Andersons? That's it, you are grounded for life. Go to your room right now.
Oh my god, how dare you?
Botany. How dare you ground our Andersoneria kids? That's it.
I'm going to call Tom and Jerry about this.
No.
You fucking faggot.
Lightning. How dare you ground the Andersoneria kids? That's it.
You are grounded for 97 months. Go to your room right now.
Why?